Two more options available in a contact. One is nothing but a check the activity, okay, related to each contact and make them group. That is nothing but list. Okay, first we'll check what exactly activity feed gives. Activity feed gives about the so far whatever the activities you have been done with the contact you have been stored in a HubSpot. For example, you can check the activity. For example, sent emails. It will give the all the sent email today, how many mails you have been sent, okay, at what time, to whom it has been sent. It will give the detail. Similarly, we can check the activity like you have been visited a leads, okay, how many leads you have been visited. Or you can check the mails you have been clicks, okay, how many mails you have been sent, those who have been clicked by your customers. Okay, based on that you can check the all the activities, okay, what happened contact level we can check by using a activity feed. And one more thing here, it is that contacts we have a list. List is nothing but to create a group. For example, you would like to create a contact group. How can we create a contact group? Here there is no groups has been created as of now. You like to create a contact group, go to list create list, select that one. It will ask, would you like to create an active list or create a static list. Static list is nothing but you have to update the list each and every time. Active list is nothing but automatically get updated as you have been joined someone, you have been registered as a customer, automatically it will updated. Or you like to make a yourself, then you can use a static list. Active list are nothing but the moment you create a contact, it will be added to that particular group. Okay, so we can create a list based on a contact we have been added or company we have been added. We'll come with a contact based, okay. For example, customers, whenever you add a customers, okay, you would like to make it as a one particular list. So we can select here next, okay. Then we have to check in which property based the list has to be created. Here we'll give the name for your list. For example, demo customers, okay, we have been given that particular list name. Okay, how do we get listed? I will say, is it whenever they have been subscribed, or ad whenever they click on an ad, or a deal properties, or the contact properties, company properties, based on which way need to be added to your that particular group. I will say contact, based on a contact. Okay, within a contact we have a many activities, right? Is it once they have been started a conversation, we have to add it to the list, or based on a message, or in a sequence, or in a status wise. Whenever you say that it is a deal, then you like to, whenever we have been type deal, then you would like to add to the list. Or we can say contact, here deal information is there, company size, degree, school based, contact information based, okay, city wise, email wise. Okay, we can use any of the way to create a list. Which one we will use here? For example, contact owner based, okay. If I say contact owner, it is belong to the me, that particular owner, that is a belongs to that particular person, those to be added to list. For example, we select these to be added, these to be added. Then what we have to do, we have to say save. Okay, this list has been processed, so one particular list has been created. We can check, is it created? It is coming as a processed. We'll check list. Yes, here we have been created one list, that is nothing but demo customers. Okay, if you click on that, here it is processed in the sense it will take few minutes to create that one, to get it all customers here which one you have been added. Okay, like this we can create a list where it will helpful when you are trying to send a mail and all. At that particular time directly you can select this particular list and you can send a mail and all. Okay, when you are creating a mail, that particular time this list will helpful. So like this we can create a list as well as a active fields. You can check what are the activities you have been done so far.